Hey, you got Chico here, and it's March 11th. I didn't make a trade on Monday or Tuesday. I wanted to see how the war was playing out and how stocks was reacting to it, and things are holding up well, I would say, relatively. And Oracle reported earnings last night. I didn't want to make a play for it. They had a very strong earnings, a lot of growth across the board, and they continue to do well on building out their data centers. I guess the market is rewarding it a little bit today relative to where it was. I mean, it's down quite a bit, right? I mean, it's come from his all-time highs last fall from over 300 to 150ish, below 150ish, and today it's got a bounce. So yeah, and then the analysts are shuffling their price targets, but yeah, they beat the earnings, which is for the quarter, and also their forecast was up several billions higher than what was expected by the street, which is definitely needed for them to sustain their price at least. And yeah, it's nice that they're going up a little bit. It was higher this morning, but it's tapered down. I don't know if that has anything to do with the market overall. Nasdaq was in positive territory with the CPI coming in line, and now it's kind of like down a little bit. And of course, we have some news in the war with Iran about definitely the shipping lanes being impacted by Iran. All right, so yeah, CoreWeave is one of the stocks that rode the good news of Oracle. It's up 8%, as you can see. It's at 81 points, and I just sold some call options for this one. We can take a look at that in a second. The other thing was Coinbase. I was waiting to see where it was going this week. This morning it was up over just tad over 200. I was hoping that this week it'd be over 200, like maybe around close to 205 or something like that, to sell a call option. Never really got there, so never made a move, but definitely on the radar. And the other ones on the radar is Micron. Micron releases earnings next week on the 18th, and they were down quite a bit at the end of last week. I mean, not a lot, but lower than what I was expecting, and finally it's picked up some more momentum. I would sell a call option if it hits like 430, but definitely decided to commit all the funds to CoreWeave right here. CoreWeave sold 5 contracts. Strike price, let me see if I can show you. Gotta expand this thing here, pixel for pixel. The strike price is 85. Having problems with the UI. Here you go, 85. So 85. I want to stretch the menu, but it looks like it opens up like that too. Perhaps I have to restart the application. But yeah, okay. So yeah, the 5 contracts at $1.24, strike price 95, and it's about at 91 and change right now. So yeah, it's that's their play. So maybe it's just one play this week, but again, if things work out, we can make a profit off this one, maybe even a small profit, and either Coinbase or MU hits like a higher price point, then I'm going to sell a call option on those ones. Okay, so that's what we got today in our first play for this week. Yeah, like I said, the previous 2 days I was offline. Well, I wasn't offline. I mean, I didn't make a video just so I can watch the market to see if there was any. I wanted to make sure there wasn't any snapback kind of action where stocks would spike into the money. And after the 2 days, I think today is the day. Well, it is the day that I decided to sell a call option. Okay, yeah, that's it for today. Don't forget to like if you like the money and you like this video. Catch you next episode.